Hello guys, assalamu alaikum, सारियां नूं सत श्री अकाल and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking a look at this adorable little box which I have recently ordered online. मैं तनु सारियां नूं पहले ही दस दवां कि ये बड़ा ही ज़्यादा cute है and I just love this inscription which I think it's gonna be on top of this box and it says you are my sunshine. And as you all know that music boxes are such timeless classics. They are lovely way to add a touch of whimsy to any home, and this one is just so adorable. So here's the music box. I can just imagine winding this up and listening to the sweet melody. Oh wow, look at this. And it would be the perfect way to relax and at the end of a long day, I think. So here, look at the inscription of the wood cutting. It's just so adorable. And this is the top side and it says you are my sunshine. That's the song which it's gonna play. As you can see all those things inside this box. It's very cute and little. So now let's play it. So thank you ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵੇਖਣ ਲਈ ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ. I hope you enjoyed this video. ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੀਆਂ ਵੀ ਮਿਊਜ਼ਿਕ ਜਾਂ ਮਿਊਜ਼ਿਕ ਬਾਕਸ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜੀਆਂ ਪੁਰਾਣੀਆਂ ਯਾਦਾਂ ਨੇ ਤਾਂ ਕਮੈਂਟ ਸੈਕਸ਼ਨ 'ਚ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਦੱਸਣਾ. ਅਗਲੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ 'ਚ ਫਿਰ ਮਿਲਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਤਦ ਤੱਕ ਲਈ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ. Thank you so much guys.